हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. My name is Rohan Sharma and I currently pursuing my MBA from Mittal School of Business. So my specialization lies in financial consulting and I'm very excited to share that I recently got placed in Federal Bank, which is a leading private sector bank and known for its customer-centric approach. Securing placement in Federal Bank was a very exciting journey for me. A special credit goes to Lovely Professional University for their placement enhancement classes. Cracking a job in banking sector is not a piece of a cake or just knowing about finance. It is more than that. So my go-to strategy was simple: practice, prepare and stay updated. I think these three keywords helped me to get selected in Federal Bank. And my go-to strategy was to read newspaper. I know that it sounds old school, but trust me guys, it will help you to bring something out of you, because it will help you to know about RBI guidelines, what are the buzz created in the banking sector, and what are the future norms that would help you to know about the banking sector more closely. I think these all aspects will help you to definitely get your dream job in banking sector. LPU's curriculum helped me a lot. Why I'm saying that? Because the structure of exposure of real life and the theoretical knowledge helped me a lot. A special credit goes to the industrial classes, which is satisfied with the KPMG, because they give me a real life exposure of banking sector and how actually bank sector works. Apart from that, the mock interviews, I think that would be the game changer for me, because that helped me to polish my communication skills and how to talk with the top-notch companies individuals. That polish my skills and the confidence level that helped me to bring best out of me. And all of this aspect give me to secure a placement in Federal Bank. For those individuals who wanted to build their career in banking and financial services, my biggest advice would be to stay updated. Why I'm saying that? Because all the norms of RBI, recent budget, and all the buzz in the market related to banking sector will help you a lot to secure your dream job. Banking is not all about numbers and paperwork. It is more than that. It is a customer-centric approach. So you should aware how to deal with the customer, because at the end you have to deal with the customers. So it was a roller coaster ride for me. Before I sat for Federal Bank, I applied for many other companies and I got rejected in the later stage of the company's round. So that demotivated me more. But I admire a very famous dialogue by Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. I think that made all the difference.